Hey guys, Chad.Lanz here at Guaranty RV. Here's your Arctic Fox 811 truck camper. A couple cool things about this one. All your plug-ins are going to be right here on your driver's side, so when you do tow it and you pull up to where you're going, you can just plug right in right after you hop out of the driver's side of your truck. We got a few features inside that are pretty nice as well we'll take a look at. One thing I want to point out while we're still here on the outside is this one has a built-in generator. That's pretty cool that comes with that. Come on inside. We got this set up like a table right now, but you can actually put this down like a bed. There's your little fridge there. You got a queen bed up front. That's pretty cool. Let's see what other features we got in here. We got a hard cutting board. That's nice if you're going to do some kitchen work. Stove, microwave, and in the back we're going to have our bathroom right here. Thanks for coming in, guys, checking out our videos. Chad.Lanz, Guaranty RV. Give me a call if you got any other questions.